Squad, and welcome back, you guys. DJ Sean, right?
Yes, baby. You've
Good
earned
DJ,
that
right?
title, most definitely.
Right? I be trying, right?
Yes, you do amazing.
It's your boy Sean.
And your girl, Mel.
Bang.
What is up, S&M Squad?
What it do, what it do?
How are you guys doing today? We hope you guys are absolutely amazing.
Yes, and if you're having a bad day, guess what? It's okay, because we're going to turn around right now with some good energy, plus we got some good music.
Most definitely we
Hell
do.
to yeah, babe. Who we got today?
All right, today we're reacting to Asylum.
Yes, yes,
Runaway Train.
Runaway Train.
Runaway Train.
Hell to the yeah, y'all. First time reacting
All right.
to Asylum.
Yes.
All right, requested by our guy, 410. Hell
Justin.
yeah.
Thank
Justin
you so
in the
much,
building,
Justin.
man. Yes, appreciate all love and support, man.
Yes,
You know what I'm saying? We definitely thank you.
Most
All right, y'all.
definitely.
Before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, you guys. Best Squad on YouTube,
On your
S&M,
post.
right here.
Notification
Don't
bell.
go nowhere.
Most
You know what I'm
definitely.
saying? Because you might hear this sound. You hear that sound? All right, yeah, that sound. Yes, you guys, stay right here all day long. All right, so you ready to get into it?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's get into it. Good energy. Bam! Countdown begins now, you guys. Hell yeah. And here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hell yeah.
There are over 1 million youth lost on the streets of America.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
All right, let's go.
Call you up in the middle of the night, like a firefly without a light. You were there like a blowtorch burning. I was a key that could use a little turning. So tired that I couldn't even sleep. So many secrets I couldn't keep. I promised myself I wouldn't weep. One more promise I couldn't keep. It seems no one can help me now. I'm in too deep. There's no way out. This time I have really led myself astray. Runaway train, never going back. Wrong way on a one-way track.
Oh my
Seems like I
God.
should be getting somewhere. Somehow, neither here nor there.
Oh my God.
Can you help me remember how to smile? Make it somehow all seem worthwhile. How on earth did I get so jaded? Life's mystery seems so faded. I can go where no one else can go. I know what no one else knows. Here I am, just a drowning in the rain, with a ticket for a runaway train, and everything seems cut and dry. Day and night, earth and sky. Somehow I just don't believe it. Runaway train, never going back. Wrong way on a one-way track. Seems like I should be getting somewhere. Somehow I'm neither here nor there.
Damn, that's deep. That is so deep.
Bought a ticket for a runaway train, like a madman laughing at the rain. A little out of touch, little insane. just easier than dealing with the pain. Runaway train, never going back. Wrong way on a one-way track. Seems like I should be getting somewhere. Somehow neither here nor there. Runaway train, never coming back. Runaway train, tearing up the track. Runaway train, burning in my face. Runaway, but it always seems the same.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my.
Oh. Oh God. Oh.
Runaway train on a one-way track.
Oh my gosh.
Feels like I'm getting nowhere. Wow, man, that was powerful. And all those different children that's missing since the early '90s, man. Justin, man, that's powerful right there.
That last part.
And that's happening right now today in the world, man.
Guys, please, 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 please,
Human trafficking,
please.
all types
We
of stuff.
have to take all of these incidents and remember them and take heed. And we have to take heed and teach our children. Safety is in numbers.
Yes. Yes.
We have to pay attention. We have to watch
Absolutely.
out. There are so many people out
Yes.
here who abduct kids, who abduct adults. I'm past, I don't want to say my age, but I'm older and
But you know,
I go out in numbers.
this happens.
Even at my age.
It's
like,
happening right now
it's
in the USA.
real. 1 million.
Yes, it's happening.
And I'm pretty sure that there are way more now missing.
Yep.
People are being,
Wow.
used for sex trafficking. They are being murdered and
All types of things.
bodies
man. It's
thrown
happening
in
under
places
the rug.
where they'll never
Yeah.
be found. So please,
And
guys.
we gotta pray for a safe return.
Yes.
Wow. That was
We
definitely
pray
emotional.
for
It was
a
touching.
safe return for anybody who has been abducted and
or missing.
is still alive.
Yes.
Some people have been abducted for years and they're not living anymore, and their families will never have closure.
Yes.
So I just pray for all of the families.
Definitely.
I pray for all of the victims.
And shouts out to Soul Asylum. They are
Wow,
pretty good.
they put that
They are
together,
pretty good,
and it
group.
was so heartfelt,
Yeah.
and you can tell like that was on their minds. They care about the people and what's going on.
Absolutely.
And this is the kind of music that I love to react to. Music with a meaning.
Yes, definitely. It's a message.
This is
definitely.
my favorite
Appreciate
kind
that,
of music.
Justin. And definitely make sure y'all get this video right here. Big fat thumbs up,
Thumbs
you guys.
it up, guys.
We will definitely appreciate it.
And spread the awareness.
And share this video out.
Share this video.
somebody
Let's
need to see
spread the
this video.
awareness.
All day.
And if you know anything about anybody that's missing and you've seen somebody who looks similar or see a situation
Yes.
that doesn't look right,
Say something.
please report it.
Please say something,
Say
you guys.
something. Do the right thing.
Yes, all day. Wow. All right, you guys, that's our time. Appreciate you, Justin, all day long. We definitely want to
Runaway
hear
train.
more, though, you
Oh, my
guys.
God.
Runaway
Runaway train, never coming
Runaway
back.
track, never coming back. That is a message that we all
Look
should
at how
pick up on.
fast she stole that baby.
Yes,
The
split
mother
second.
took her eyes off. It takes 1
Yep.
second.
That's all it takes.
1 second to take it's somebody watching all the time.
Yes. Yep. And it's crazy because on the news just not too long ago, a white van, riding around in Maryland, picking up little young children, you know, snatching them off the streets, and doing what, you know, whatever. What, you know, it's crazy.
Yeah.
So let's just be, you know, vigilant, guys, and just be on point. And everybody be safe. We signing off. It's your boy Sean.
And your girl, Mel. We
Bam.
love you guys so much.
Favorite couple, y'all. Everybody be safe.
safe.
Please.